JobNimbus automations can save time and resources, allowing your team to focus on core work rather than tedious and repetitive tasks, while also making your processes predictable and consistent. In this video, we will create an automation that emails customers when an appointment has been scheduled. To begin, navigate to the Automation Settings page, then click Add Automation. Start by naming the automation so that it is easily identifiable. Then select the trigger type and configure the event. For this automation, we will create an event-based automation that triggers when a task is created. Next, we will add the condition that must be true for the automation to occur. Configure the drop-down menu to read as if the task type is initial appointment. Then click Save. Below the conditions, ensure that Require all conditions to be true is selected. Finally, we will configure the action that will occur once the conditions are met. In this case, we want JobNimbus to send an email with the appointment details. In the next window, you will select the email template and recipients. We will use the appointment reminder email template and will send it to the primary related contact. Click Save to add the action to the automation. Review the automation's details, then click Save to add it to your account. Now, your customers will automatically receive a reminder email with the appointment details once it has been scheduled.